Explore top DJI drones renowned for their cutting-edge technology and exceptional performance. DJI's leading models offer unparalleled flight stability, high-definition cameras, and advanced features for both hobbyists and professionals. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best DJI drones you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The DJI Avata 2 stands out as a premier choice in the realm of drones, ranking as the 5th best DJI drone. It is engineered to offer an immersive flying experience that is both exhilarating and captivating. With real-time visual feedback through compatible DJI goggles, the Avata 2 provides a first-person view that makes you feel as if you're right in the cockpit, enjoying an unparalleled perspective of the world below. One of the Avata 2's defining features is its intuitive motion control system, which simplifies operation to the point where even novices can fly with confidence. By controlling the drone's movement through natural hand gestures, users avoid the complexity of traditional button-based controls. This ease of use is complemented by the drone's capability for effortless acrobatics, enabling users to perform impressive flips, rolls, and 180-degree drifts without requiring extensive training. The Avata 2 excels in capturing stunning visuals with its 155-degree field of view and 1.3-inch image sensor. It records ultra-sharp 4K video at 60 frames per second, with the added option of 4K slow-motion video at 100 frames per second, ensuring that every detail is captured with clarity and precision. The DJI Air 3 emerges as a top contender in DJI's drone lineup, earning its spot as the 4th best model. This sophisticated drone features dual cameras that provide versatile focal lengths, making it an exceptional tool for capturing stunning travel photography. With its ability to take 48 megapixel images, the Air 3 allows photographers to crop their photos with minimal loss of detail, revealing hidden elements in travel shots that might otherwise go unnoticed. The Air 3 excels in video quality, offering 4K 60 FPS HDR recording. This capability ensures that every video captures vibrant colors and rich details, creating immersive and breathtaking footage. Safety is a primary concern, addressed through advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which provides comprehensive protection against obstacles in diverse environments, including dense forests. Adhering to FAA regulations, the DJI Air 3 complies with the Remote ID rule, ensuring that users meet the necessary legal standards. Its robust 04 HD transmission system, featuring a 6-antenna array, delivers a stable 1080p 60 FPS live feed up to 19 kilometers, allowing for uninterrupted and smooth flight experiences. For those seeking an immersive flying experience, the Air 3 integrates seamlessly with DJI Goggles Integra, DJI Goggles 2, and DJI RC Motion 2, offering an exhilarating first-person view. Recent firmware updates have introduced features like Vision Assist, which enhances aerial safety with visual assistance in all directions, and Active Shots 360-degree, which improves subject tracking. The DJI Mini 3, ranked as the 3rd best DJI drone, offers exceptional features packed into a compact design. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids the need for FAA registration and remote ID for recreational flying. The drone excels in capturing breathtaking 4K UHD imagery, thanks to its dual native ISO fusion technology that ensures sharp detail in both bright and dark areas. With true vertical shooting, it's ideal for photographing towering structures and landscapes, perfectly suited for social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Its battery life is impressive, with an option to extend flight time up to 51 minutes using the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. However, this adds weight, surpassing the 249-gram threshold. The Fly More combo provides up to 114 minutes of total flight time. The Mini 3 is also designed to withstand level 5 winds and features a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage, while its brushless motors support takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. With a maximum HD video transmission range of 10 kilometers and robust anti-interference capabilities, it enables clear, uninterrupted exploration. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, acclaimed as the second best drone in DJI's lineup, offers a blend of advanced features and ease of use, setting a new standard for personal and professional aerial photography. Weighing less than 0.6 pounds, it eliminates the need for FAA registration, making it a perfect choice for travelers seeking convenience. This drone's sophisticated design includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which ensures comprehensive collision avoidance in all directions, giving both beginners and experienced pilots peace of mind during flight. Extended battery life is a standout feature, allowing for longer, uninterrupted flights and reducing battery anxiety as you capture expansive views and intricate details from the sky. The drone's real-time video transmission supports 4K resolution with a remarkable 12.4-mile range, providing sharp, lag-free imagery and immersive aerial perspectives. With the ActiveTrack 360 degrees feature, you can effortlessly control and customize the drone's tracking trajectory, achieving smooth and dynamic video captures with minimal effort. The DJI Mini 4 Pro package includes the drone itself, the DJI RC2 remote with a high-brightness display for live monitoring, and a 34-minute flight time battery. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a top-tier drone that epitomizes advanced aerial technology, securing its position as the #1 best DJI drone available. It features a state-of-the-art Hasselblad main camera equipped with a 4.3 CMOS sensor, offering a 24mm format equivalent, an aperture range of f2.8 to f11, and a high resolution of 20 megapixels. This sophisticated camera supports shooting in RAW format, delivering a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops, ideal for capturing rich, detailed imagery across a wide spectrum of lighting conditions. This drone adheres to the FAA remote ID requirements, ensuring compliance with current regulations. The Mavic 3 Pro's safety features are robust, thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle sensing system and APAS 5.0 technology. It utilizes 8 vision sensors combined with a vision computing engine to detect and avoid obstacles from all directions, providing a safer flying experience. With a remarkable maximum flight time of up to 43 minutes, the Mavic 3 Pro offers extended aerial capabilities, allowing for longer flights and less frequent battery changes. The DJI O3 Plus transmission system ensures a reliable connection over distances of up to 15 kilometers, maintaining a stable and clear camera view. The package includes the DJI RC controller, noted for its lightweight build, comfortable ergonomics, and a 700 nit brightness screen, enhancing usability during flights. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.